In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Klarna in Shopify and add on-site messaging to your product pages. Klarna lets your customers split payments or pay later, which can boost conversions and average order value. We're going to turn Klarna on inside Shopify payments, then make sure customers see Klarna options right on your product pages through the Klarna app's on-site messaging. Before we start, make sure you're using Shopify payments and that Klarna is available for your store's country and currency. If you don't see Klarna as an option, it usually means it isn't supported for your region or business type. First, let's enable Klarna as a payment method. From your Shopify admin, open Settings, then go to Payments. In the Shopify Payments section, click Manage to see all available payment methods tied to Shopify payments. In the list of payment methods, find Klarna and toggle it on. When you're done, click Save. That's it for activating Klarna at checkout. After saving, Klarna should appear as a payment option for eligible customers during checkout, offering choices like Pay in 4 or Pay later depending on regional availability and your store's settings. If you run into issues, double-check that Shopify Payments is fully set up and that your store's currency and address match Klarna's supported markets. Next, let's add Klarna to your product pages so shoppers see financing options before they even add to cart. In your Shopify admin, go to the Apps section. If you already have the Klarna app installed, open it. If not, head to the Shopify App Store, search for Klarna, and install the official Klarna app. Once you're in the Klarna app, go to its settings. Here, enable on-site messaging. Turning this on will display Klarna promotions, such as Pay in 4 or Pay later, directly on your product pages. This messaging helps customers understand their payment options upfront, which often reduces hesitation and improves conversion. After enabling on-site messaging, the app typically places the messaging in a sensible default location on your product pages. Many themes show it near the price or the Add to Cart button. If your theme uses sections or has custom layouts, the app's settings may offer placement or style options so it fits your brand. Keep your branding consistent and make sure the text is easy to read. That's all you need to do. Klarna is now active in your checkout, and your product pages display clear, helpful payment messaging. This simple setup can go a long way in improving shopper confidence and smoothing the path to purchase.